Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is functionality proof video for a main board for LG monitor 34UC97S that was sent from another continent, and we're about to return it. So to avoid possible conflicts afterwards, we want to make sure that the customer sees that the board is working. They actually sent us two boards. Both of them were repaired, both of them are working, and functionality proof is going to be on a flat monitor, not on the curved one. The curved one you can see here, but its screen is broken, and it's good for testing and seeing that the backlight comes and it responds, but this one is better for actually seeing what is going on. I have attached just a simple HDMI, and both boards were coming up with nothing on the screen. They were making a chime sound, but did not start. This is the 34UM95, and it can be used for testing. Start that. There you go. And let me see this. Clear that out. There you go. Now, just for the sake of, let me see if I can show you the inputs. Okay, we got that. Now, which way is the input? Almost got it, but not quite. Let's see if I can try again. I'm trying to navigate the menu here, but because, okay, that is HDMI input. Okay, it is the HDMI. And I want to go out of here. Okay, so again, menu. Which way is input? None of the ways is input. Instead, I got picture-in-picture menu. Okay, when they do that. So, not again. So it's the opposite. If I want to go to menu, I go to left. Okay, I went to menu. Now, which one of those is input? And this one is input. So the inputs that are available on this model, as you can see, HDMI, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt. And this is what 90S shows. This is the board, and both of them. Let me turn it off as soon as I can. Clean those, install double-sided tape, and put the heat sinks on top, and you should be good to go. I don't know which board is better. If you see the video and you like the other one better, let us know, we'll send back the other one. Thanks.